Hello guys. Now we are going to work. Okay? So you have to work overnight. Okay? It doesn't matter how you work. But you need to work. Okay? You need to finish it. Because the brothers need to get his car, okay? So now what it is, just one first. Oh! This one we call a cylinder head, okay? So I'm gonna fit it back. And before that, what you need is gasket head. That's the first thing you need. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna take gasket head. Hey, look at this. This one we call it head gasket. Okay, so I'm gonna fit on the top there. And before that, you put a cylinder head on. That everything will be fine. Okay. You need to wrap, okay? You need to clean the surface of the cylinder head before you put it on, okay? Wow, it's clean. Look at that, okay? So we put it up, okay? Wow, that house. And what else you need? You need a screw, okay? 8 screws. Okay, this one. These are, they call it cylinder screw. Okay, all of the screw, okay? Put it in. And now what you need is the gun. Wow. Just got that. This one is the gun. Okay? And what do you have? The story linky. Look at that. The story linky. In a little socket. Just put it in. Yeah? Yeah, that has it. Okay, so the next lever, I'm gonna show you. Okay, bye now.